Hello guys. I am doing a FIY video here. So we are going to fix our washing machine. It's a Maytag Centennial washing machine. We had it for a little over 10 years. And yesterday, it started to give up on us. So now we are trying to fix the problem. Actually, this is what it looks like. So this is our washing machine. This is the Maytag Centennial Commercial Technology. This is our washing machine, guys. It just don't want to work anymore. The problem is it won't spin anymore. When we try to wash our clothes, it kind of spin very slowly, and after for a while it drain the water. So that's the problem here. So that's why we're gonna try to fix this problem on our own, and we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna show you the next step, the first step that we're gonna do for today. Okay, so let me open this. This is what it looks like, guys. Sorry for that. It looks good. It's just because we're using the powder, the detergent. We're using the detergent powder with this one. We're not supposed to use it, or we're not supposed to use that kind of detergent, the powder one, but we've been using it for 10 years already, and so that's and you notice there's a lot of glue in there because it didn't spin right on us. Started to act up on us. We are fixing our washer right now. We're trying to change the motor actuator. This is probably the cause of the problem. That's probably the cause of the problem.
It's just 2 bolts right here.
The motor actuator. So first we're gonna unscrew this part. It's in the bottom of this washing machine. This is a Maytag Centennial washing machine, guys.
Here we
go. Okay, let's watch. What?
I need a longer extension.
You need an extension?
I don't have one.
Should open the door so you have light.
I can't.
Put it over right there. Forever. Oh, there's a spring in here, you know?
Yeah.
That's a spring both sides.
Yeah.
So there's only 2 springs actually. I don't know if there's 2 springs. Yeah. I think the springs. Let me check. The spring is oh man, it's too greasy. There's like a oil in there. Work my hand. Oops. There's a
if it's a Phillips or
and
you're funny.
So that's the part. Okay. Okay, you got that. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Right there, you have to unscrew that one. That's the actuator, the motor actuator of the Maytag washing machine. So we're gonna replace this one. That's probably the reason why our washing machine is not working properly, or is not rinsing and spinning. see. Here's the belt. The belt looks intact right now.
The belt looks good.
Still look good,
This
and
is
then
tight
the
too.
springs still look good,
It's all tight.
even though it's kind of wobbly when it spin. They're still okay. Yeah, and then that's it. You have to unscrew that part. Now it's
How's that go? Okay.
now it's off. So that's it. So you can order this part in Amazon, or maybe they have it in eBay too. So that's why.
Hang on. So that part, all this goes in there like that.
Okay.
Okay, so that goes. But it goes back in there like that.
The
Yeah,
two boxes
like that.
has to.
See, it goes in there like
Yeah.
that. So
I know how it works. I know how
there.
where it belongs.
Okay, that's it. This is the part right
So
here.
that's kind of like a computer, you know, like a
Yeah.
computer device or a CPU
So that's the one.
where you have to connect this wire.
So
This
that goes
one.
back. That goes
Like
back
a
like
computer,
that.
you know.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Goes back like that.
So that's
This is
what
the part
we need
This
to
part.
get. Okay. Then let's take
That's
that
it.
part out.
So let me put
And
everything
then we'll
back.
try to order that one
So I'll just put this back for now.
We'll try to order that one in Amazon, and then we'll just wait till the order arrives, and then we'll see in the next video. Okay, so we're putting that back. Are you putting that back, or
Yeah, just I don't want to lose the screws. I'll just put it back up in here for now.
just the screw?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like that. Just for now. That's it, like that. And this goes back.
And that one, guys,
yeah.
that is a cover. That's how you have to screw that one. Screw it back. That's where it belongs. You can use what is that? Electric.
Extension.
What is that called? The electric screw?
Oh, metal screw.
No, the electric one. To
Oh,
make it for it to work faster. The drill.
Oh,
Electric
drill. Yeah. Yeah. Battery electric or whatever.
Okay, guys. So that's it for now.
That's
And
it. Yeah.
we'll see in
Okay.
the next video. Bye. But you guys need to have a tools like this, okay? Because this tools is very useful when you want to fix the appliances or something. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, so we found the one in Amazon, the part of the actuator, the shift actuator. So this is the one that we need. This is the part, the 490YZ110. So it's $31, and it fixes the problem. It fixes the following symptoms of your washing machine when the pumps, when it, wait, symptoms, pumps but will not spin, will not agitate, will not start, spin slowly. So that's it, guys. So we're gonna order this one, see if we can fix our washing machine, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Goodbye. By the way, we have to wait for our order to arrive first. It might take a week, and we'll see. Okay, bye.